How's everybody doing today? We're here to talk about the SMOK X-Priv Baby kit. It's got an internal battery, comes with a Baby Prince tank, and it looks beautiful. Let's dive in. Alright, and so once you first receive your device here, you got the device right when you open the box, right there. I'll set that aside. Underneath that, you have your QC pass, SMOK user manual for your X-Priv Baby kit, your charger, spare glass, and tank. What's also included in this box here is some extra O-rings, gaskets, and a spare coil. And I believe this coil is a 0.4 Q2. Alright, and here's the Baby Prince tank here that it came with. We're just going to take it apart here. You grab each metal end here and just twist. Comes out just like that. Glass comes right off. And there is your inner coil. When you want to prime this coil, you just want to put juice on the top here and on the inside as well. This is the top piece to it. The way this tank fills, there's a button right here. All you got to do is push it and then slide. Push and then slide. And you fill on this outer hole here. Let's put it back together. Alright, so this is the tank here again. This does feature bottom airflow. All you got to do is grab the bottom ring and turn the whole tank, which adjusts it. You can see there, nice and smooth. And we got some branding on the bottom, and that is a 510 connector, which will fit most of your mods. Now to get into the device itself, all you got to do is click 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brings up SMOK X-Priv Baby, and it looks like it was set on 63.5 watts. Now to adjust the wattage on this kit, all you got to do is press this left and right button here at the bottom. Left goes down, right goes up. You click and hold to fire your tank. It says no atomizer because I have no tank on here right now. But now I'm going to click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It's going to bring us into our menu settings. You can go through wattage mode, temperature control, nickel, stainless steel, or memory mode. Memory mode's where you can set your presets on your wattage. And we're going to go back to wattage here. We're just going to press the fire button once, and it brings us to the next menu, which is your puff settings. You can set how many puffs you can vape on this for. Press it one more time. You can change your screen color. And one last time, you can turn it on or off. So we're just gonna, to select things, it's going to be the blue cursor that moves around when you're hit left and right. And to actually select it, you have to long hold your fire button. Now, most people would think 5 clicks would turn it back off. We're gonna click it 5 times more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually gonna lock your device. It doesn't turn it off, so you do have to do the 3 clicks through the menu. Alright, and that was the X-Priv Baby kit. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you're wanting to pick up this device itself, come in. We'll give you 15% off for mentioning that you watched this video and liked and subscribed to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next one.